Welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. So let's start today's video. But before it, you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. So let's start today. So student, in today's tutorial, we are going, as you know, that we are going to discuss all the Microsoft Excel, okay, features and different options of the Windows. So let's start. Creating a new blank workbook. So how we can create a new blank workbook? Step 1, click on File tab. Backstage view will appear. Click on New. Okay, new option is there. Then you will click on this. Then select blank workbook from the available templates and click on Create button. As soon as you will click on Create button, after this, a new workbook opens on the screen. Again, I am repeating the step. You can see in the diagram also, window, it is given. Step 1, what you have to do, click on File tab. Then step 2, you have to click on New option. And step 3, click on Create button. So this is the procedure to start or to create a new blank workbook. Now entering data in the cell. To enter data in the cell, first of all, you have to select the cell. Okay, you have to select the cell in which you want to enter the data. Now double click on it. You will double click on that cell. Then the mouse pointer will appear, then type the data. After that, you have to press the enter key on the keyboard. And then you are able to enter the data. Okay, again I'm repeating, select the cell, double click on it, type the data, press the enter key to enter data in the cell. Now student, we will discuss the types of data. MS Excel have 3 basic types of data, which numeric, text and formula. Okay, so remember, numeric, text and formula, basic 3 types of data are there in MS Excel. Now we will discuss it. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss numeric data. These contains numbers only, which can be both integer or with a decimal. Example, you can see it is written 2.50 or 7.80, or simple integer can be also there like 5, 10, 20, 34, any number. And then you can see 75%. So like this, you can see in the example. Okay, these type of data are known as numeric data. Now second one is text. These are values which can contain both numbers and alphabets and are also called as string data. Okay, string data. For example, serial number, name, okay, or address are the text data. Like for example, if you have to write address, so whenever we are writing address, sometimes we write with the sometimes we write text also and numbers also, like New Friends Colony, 25 by C, 2nd floor. So here you can see that the number is also there and alphabets are also there. So these type of data which contain both numbers and alphabet, but it will consider as string data. Now the third type is formula. These contains the formula for calculation. As you know that Excel is useful for formulas, for calculation, okay, by using formulas. So the third type of data is formula, but you have to remember that formula is prefixed by an equal sign. Whenever we write the formula, we have to write equal sign before it. You can see in the example, equal D6 divided by 5. Okay, so like this we give formula, but we always start with equal sign. Now student, we will come to know that how to select the cells. So to select a single cell, if you have to select only one particular cell, then click on the cell. Okay, if you will click on the cell pointer appear and it is an active cell, that cell will be selected. To select a range of cell. Now a range of cell is a block of contiguous cells along a line either horizontally or vertically. You can select in both direction, left to right, okay, right to left, or you can write up to down or down to up also. So this is also a way to select the range of cell. You know student, we can select the cells with the help of mouse also. If you will click on particular cell and drag in which side. Like if you are dragging towards left or right, then horizontally you can select. If you are dragging the mouse upward and downward, then vertically you can select. Okay. Now to select the whole worksheet, whenever you have to select the whole worksheet, one shortcut keyboard command is there, Control A. Whenever you will press together Control A, you are able to select the whole worksheet. So student, I hope you understood whatever I have taught in today's tutorial. All of you have to watch the video carefully, and after that please refer to your book for proper reading. Okay, if you will read the topic properly after watching the video from book, you will understand. Still, if you are having problem, you can write in my YouTube channel comment box. I will reply shortly. And one more thing, that if you are having system, then you can practice. So student, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.